It is time to work on infinitive phrases and infinitives. So today, the learning target is I will be able to define and identify infinitive and infinitive phrases. Make sure that if it's in red, you highlight it on your notes. Make sure you printed out the notes and you write your learning goal at the top of your notes. So an infinitive is the verb form that begins with the word to and can be used as a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. For example, to fly is glorious. In that sentence, the infinitive to fly is being used as a noun. Here's another example with an infinitive being used as an adjective. The place to visit is the Grand Canyon. Notice that the infinitive to visit is modifying the word place, so it's being used as an adjective. In this example, the infinitive is being used as an adverb. George jumped to look. Notice the infinitive to look is modifying jumped, which is a verb, so it's being used as an adverb. Sometimes prepositional phrases can begin with the word to as well. So here's the difference between an infinitive versus a prepositional phrase. Both prepositional phrases and infinitive phrases can begin with the word to, but with infinitive phrases, to is followed by a verb. Here's a prepositional phrase. We headed to the pool to go swimming. Notice that the to right here is followed by the noun, pool. Whereas in an infinitive phrase, the to is followed by a verb, swim. It's being used as an infinitive here. I like to swim. Flip to the back of your notes and try a couple applications on your own. So for this activity, sort the following sentences as either containing or not containing infinitives. Don't be confused, there are some prepositional phrases in here. Let's just do one together. We headed to the library. Does it have an infinitive? If it does, you want to put it on this side, but if it doesn't, you want to put it on this side. What do you think? This one actually goes in the no infinitive side. To the library is being used as a prepositional phrase. Notice the to is followed by the noun, library. Flip back to the front and let's take the definition for an infinitive phrase. An infinitive phrase consists of an infinitive and any modifiers the infinitive has. The entire phrase can be used as a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. So the entire phrase, the infinitive plus any modifiers, can be used as a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. For example, to make tamales quickly was hard. Notice to make is the infinitive, but the modifiers tamales and quickly is part of the infinitive phrase. That whole phrase is being used as a noun. Chris is the player to watch in the next game. To watch is the infinitive phrase in this sentence, and it's modifying the player. Therefore, it is an adjective. It's being used as an adjective. Here's an example for an adverb. We are eager to finish this project. To finish is the infinitive phrase here, but it's being used as an adverb. It's modifying eager, which is an adjective, and anything that modifies an adjective is an adverb. Flip your paper over again for this next activity. For this one, you need to combine the following sentences by changing the second sentence into infinitive or an infinitive phrase and substitute the infinitive or the phrase for the word it in the first sentence. So the example is, it was a pleasant surprise for her. The other sentence is, she won so easily. So I need to take she won so easily and make it into an infinitive phrase and replace it with the word it. To win so easily was a pleasant surprise for her. You try on 1 and 2. So number 1, hopefully you came up with replacing the it with she won the election as an infinitive. So she expected to win the election. This next activity, please write a sentence for each word listed below. Each word should be used in an infinitive phrase. That takes us to the end. Please summarize in your own words, define and explain how to identify infinitive and infinitive phrases.